Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down yesterday's market movements and what they mean for your morning coffee chat. So, let's dive straight into it. Yesterday, the market felt a bit like a roller coaster that's lost its way, heading mostly downwards. The Standard & Poor's 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite both took a slight dip, falling about 0.3%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average wasn't far behind, declining by nearly 0.4%. It seems like tech giants Nvidia and Tesla couldn't catch a break, both tumbling around 4%. Now you might be wondering, what's got the market all jittery? Well, the answer lies in the latest inflation data. The Producer Price Index for February showed a rise of 0.6%, doubling what many were expecting. This hotter-than-expected print is one of the final pieces of the puzzle before the Federal Reserve's policy meeting next week, and it's got investors rethinking their bets. For a while there, hope was the name of the game, with the market brushing off previous signs of sticky inflation. However, with the Fed meeting looming, about 40% of traders are now betting the Fed might just stay put with the current interest rate levels through June. It's a significant shift from just last week. In other news, retail sales saw a modest increase of 0.6%, not quite hitting the mark but showing some resilience after a dip in January. And over in the commodities corner, oil prices are on a bit of an adventure, with WTI crude futures breaching the $81 mark thanks to a mix of supply concerns and shrinking U.S. stockpiles. But it wasn't all about inflation and oil. Fisker's stock took a nosedive, plummeting over 50% amid buzz about a potential bankruptcy filing. It's a stark reminder of the high stakes and volatility in the EV market. As we wrap up today's episode, remember, these market movements are part of the ebb and flow. With Jerome Powell's testimony to Congress and the Fed's upcoming decisions, we're all eyes and ears on what comes next. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, wishing you a day filled with insightful decisions and optimistic outcomes. Catch you tomorrow for more market updates.